So you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday to you guys. I'm actually going out to meet Tochi. I don't know how this vlog is gonna be, but I know, and I have some exciting news to share with you people. Just stay tuned and watch this video to the end, then I will reveal it. So you guys, I'm on my way now. I just can't be doing this when I enter the main road. I'm just in our street, that's why I'm still talking. So I will see you guys as soon as I meet with Tochi Maryann. Yeah, all right.
Organizations to where it is today. Now, for every job people do, that they pay for their ideas, for their knowledge, for their skills, or whatever.
But I'll make an official video. I'll make an official video about it, and I will tell my story to you guys. Yeah. But right now, let's just focus on this food.
She tell me how she got monetized. For me to get monetization gang. So it's so good. I feel fish. Is it first to finish this thing? I don't know. First to finish their pounded.
What is the name of this fish?
Only croaker.
Not be like croaker.
I think this what do we have? Big fish, I waiting the God has it.
Okay. Okay, spoker. Spoker.
This is they sell on Sunday.
For where?
Oh,
Sundays.
I saw so they come back to the market to last year. Let me say they sell. So I must have seen a papa you make up. And that is no, it's not a Sunday. I don't know this place my phone.
We for cry here.
Ah, real tears. Okay.
Maybe they put but not small. Because I don't too test them.
That is smell. This is very nice. Very nice.
Even here sometimes. There's a coronavirus. Yeah. There was a time they closed it. Like back down there. Yeah, the playground. Quando dia mi scoperto non c'è quella magia così già fishy
What does it do? So I need to talk to the meat or to the talk to me. I don't know why.
she said she don't eat meat or fish until she finish eating.
If I will abandon my food.
That's it.
If I talk that food, I don't abandon my food. Meat is like my reward for eating.
But the spice is not that good.
If they just put on fire, just more fire and then they go roll up.
Maybe they make the food pepper. It's a bowl too. So what did this one do? Okay.
That's one of the really exercise. That is still there.
I be like I don't cook with a leaf. I don't cook oha without
Anything for how?
Yeah. We are done with the pounded yam and bitter leaf soup. So we now want to dissect the fish.
Maybe
I will chop it.
look.
Like the shot. If I chop it, I never chop the shell. Yeah. Perhaps nobody will argue if you have a degree. Voila. guys, we are done. We are leaving outside the hot, even if the inside self hot.
Then the inside not past here, so.
Look at show na Tochi. Don't na Tochi chop that ishazo. Na to na no be chop the head fish head.
Because I don't be doing it. Not true.
Oh my god.
Kind of food Ugonma they consume until she finished head of fish. In fact, the entire fish.
No, honestly, head of fish is my favorite. Like, I can't like all the chicken. Oh yeah.
But for it's not like people are not even really looking at us weird.
Yeah. So because people weren't looking at us, I was able to devour the issues. Yes. It's well, Chai. Thank you for coming. And what are we saying? When are we? Yes.
When you come back?
We'll be coming back on Friday. I get wedding on Saturday.
You vlog that one.
Of course, na in Nigeria, I go vlog them now. Then Sunday. Sunday is this our party parole.
I will find a buy that to keep our fridge.
Maybe. Where you want buy?
I go go to that place. This week I will meet them. Talk to them. Whether we will film inside there and all that.
So you guys will be saying our goodbyes and yeah,
We shall see in the future.
Alright, Nati, bye bye now. Safe. Yep.